artists. Come along with me, let's draw one of George Pig's favorite toys, Mr. Dinosaur, also known as Dino Roar. This green dinosaur is always by George's side, and guess what? It even makes a roaring sound. Let's get started and have some roaring fun together. Dino Roar is George Pig's absolute favorite toy. He loves pretending it can stomp and roar. Dino Roar opened its eyes, look! Dino Roar is having a great time exploring its environment. George says Dinosaur when he talks about his beloved toy. Isn't that cute? Can you make a Dino Roar sound right now? Roar! Mr. Dinosaur, Dino Roar, is green, just like many real-life dinosaurs were imagined to be. Dino Roar can make roaring sounds when George presses a button. Did you know that George has had his Dino Roar toy since he was a baby? It's very special to him. Amazing! Our Dino Roar is looking so fierce and fun. We need to make it extra special with bright and bold colors. Grab your favorite green and let's finish this amazing dino together. Real dinosaurs lived millions of years ago, but George's toy lets him imagine they're still around. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. George once lost Dino Roar on a train, but luckily he got it back. Phew! The dinosaur's roar often makes everyone in the pig family laugh, even Mummy and Daddy Pig. Peppa sometimes pretends to be afraid of Dino Roar to make George smile. There are many types of dinosaurs, like T-Rex, Triceratops, and Stegosaurus. Dino Roar looks like a T-Rex. Do you think Peppa Pig would play with Dino Roar too? What would she say? Imagine this toy dinosaur coming to life. What kind of adventure would it go on? What would you name a toy dinosaur if you had one? Something fun like Dino Roar? Great job, everyone! Our Dino Roar is ready to play with George Pig. Show our drawing, and maybe even make your best Dino Roar sound. Thank you for drawing with me, and I'll see you next time.